Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Week 7. Our topic is approximation and estimation, in which we learn about how we approximate a number, how we estimate a number. We have following resources: new syllabus, mathematics, 7 edition D1, chapter number 3, exercise 3A, that is given on page number 62, and educational video. Methodology. In methodology we have following things: audio aids, visual aids, examples, educational video, and in a last, homework assignment. In learning objectives we have following things. By the end of the lesson, student will be able to find approximation of a number, significant figure, how we define significant figure, finding rounding and error. In the previous lesson we learned about HCF, LCM, and differentiate between them. We defined HCF, then we solve some question of HCF, then we define LCM, solve some question of LCM, then differentiate between LCM and HCF. Question number 1. Round off 34,09725 to the nearest 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000. 34,09725 want to round off nearest 10. If you want to round off nearest 10, consider last two value. Last two value of a given term is 25, and you want to round off to the nearest 10. It means you want to round off to 20 or 30. The given value is 25, that is nearest to 30, so we write there 30. If its value is 24, 23, 22, 21, then we write there 20. But if its value is 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, then we write there 30. In a B part, you want to round off 34,09725 to nearest 100. To nearest 100, consider last three values. The last three values are 725, that is nearest to 700, so we write there 700. If its value is 750 or 750 above, then we write there 800. If its value is below 750, then we write there 700. Similarly, you want to round off 1000. To round off 1000, consider last four values of a given term, that is 9725, means 9725. That is clear nearest to 10,000, so we write there 10,000. In a D part, you want to round off 10,000, we consider last five value of a given term, that is 09725. It is obvious that is nearest to 10,000, so we write there 34 10,000. In question number 2, in 2010 Singapore welcomed 11,600,000 overseas visitors. This value has been rounded off to the 100,000. What are the largest and smallest possible numbers of overseas visitors? Largest possible number of overseas visitors is 11,649,999. that is largest numbers of overseas visitor, because if we increase any other number in this value, then we get 11,700,000. and smallest possible number of overseas visitor, that is 11,550,000, because when we round off this number, then we get 11,600,000. so we write it in a smallest possible number and in a largest possible number, because in the largest possible number, if we increase any one value, then we get 11,700,000. In a smallest possible visitor number, if we decrease any one value, then we get 11 500,000. So these are the way to write it in a smallest possible number and in a largest possible number. Question number 3. Correct 78.46952 to one decimal place, nearest whole number, nearest hundred, and nearest 0.001. In a A part, nearest one decimal place. One decimal place mean after point we consider only one value. So if we want to consider only one value after point, so after point we see that the value is 4, and after 4 we have 6 that is greater than 5. So we add one number in a 4, then we get 78.5 in a one decimal places. If in a B part you want to write the nearest whole number, in a nearest whole number we see that 78.4695, after point we have a value that is lower than 5, so we consider 78, that is to nearest whole number. In a C part, the nearest 100 mean in the last three values. In the last three value we have 78.4695, so we write there 78.47 because in the last three value 695 that is nearest to 700, so we write there 78.47. In the D part, the nearest to 0.001, it means after point we consider three value. After point we have 4695, we want to consider three value, so 0.469. After 69 we have a 5, that is, if that is clear, if we have a number 5 or greater than 5, then we add one value in a previous number, so we add one number in a 69, then we get 70. So the answer is 78.470. Question number 4. Junwei says that 8.395 is equal to 8.4 when rounded off two decimal places because it thinks 8.40 is same as 8.4. Do you agree? Explain your answer. No, I do not agree with Junwei. 8.40 is rounded off to two decimal places, which is more accurate than 8.4, which is rounded off to one decimal places. If he said that rounded off two decimal places, it means you have to write two value after point. If you say that you have rounded off three value, it means you have to write three value after point. So I do not agree with Junwei. Question number 5. A household uses 450 kilowatt hour of electricity and 38 meter cube of water in a month. The cost of electricity is $0.29 per kilowatt hour and the cost of water usage is $1.17 per meter cube. Find the total amount of the money the household has to pay in that month, giving your answer correct to nearest dollar. First we found cost of electricity, cost of 450 kilowatt of electricity. So if you want to find cost, then 450 multiply with amount of electricity cost, we get $130.50. The cost of 38 meter cube of water, we multiply with its price, then we get $44.46. Total amount of money the household has to pay, we add the cost of electricity and cost of water, we get $174.96. If you want to round off to nearest dollar, we see that 174.96. After point we have a value 9 that is greater than 5, so we add 1 in a number of this previous value, that is 4, so we add one number in a 4, we get $175, that is nearest to $1. In a recap, we learned about estimation, approximation and rounded off a number. We see that if you want to round off a number, for example, if you have a number of 24.56 and if you want to round off after one decimal place, means after one value you consider next value that is greater or equal to 5, then you add one number in a previous value, that is the method of rounded off, approximation and estimation. By using all these concepts, you are able to solve exercise 3A question 1 to 7 that is given on page number 62, work example 1 to 3 and practice now 1 to 3 that are given on page number 59 to 61. Best of luck. Thank you so much.